Hello friends, welcome to Abhi Discuss. In this video, I will share my reviews about a life-changing TV series released on Netflix, Life on Our Planet. Life on Our Planet, narrated by Morgan Freeman, is a docu-series that examines how, over Earth's 4.5 billion years existence, species evolved, survived, and in many cases became extinct. With CGI by industrial light and magic paired with new scientific research and film of current day species, the docu-series shows how the almost 20 million species of plants and animals alive on Earth today are only 1% of species that ever existed, and how they evolved and survived. 2 million years ago, we see a Smilodon, a prehistoric saber-toothed cat, on our screen. Narrator Morgan Freeman says 2 million years ago, and our planet is a very different place. The first episode discusses the rules of life and then shows examples of those rules, but not before rocketing through billions of years of evolution, from our one-celled ancestors to amphibians, and then reptiles, then dinosaurs, then mammals. The first rule, the best adapted will always win through. The example given are butterfly eggs that birth leaf-devouring caterpillars, but there are leaves that have evolved to fight those caterpillars. However, caterpillars and butterflies have made their own evolutionary advances. The next rule, competition drives adaptation. Male terror birds are showing battling it out of territory, but they are not just competing with each other, as a pair of Smilodons attack the fighting terror birds in order to get a meal. Rule 3. Earth never remains stable for long. One of the longest stable periods was the 100 million years when dinosaurs ruled the planet, and we see plant-eating Measaurus traverse hostile, protective moms to get their own nest, and the Triceratops get threatened by a T-Rex and her youngsters. Of course, the stability that the dinos enjoyed was destroyed in a short period of time by a meteor strike. The survivors were the mammal species that evolved into what rules today. While the format of Life on Our Earth is similar to dozens of other nature shows, the CGIs of prehistoric animals remind us of the Apple TV series Prehistoric Planet. The aspect of Life on Our Planet that is the most interesting is the CGI of prehistoric species. It's the same thing that made the aforementioned Prehistoric Planet fascinating to watch via the amazing CGI, paired with the new science about how these species evolved to survive. The lives of these long-gone species can be examined like living species are. The format of the show is also fascinating because instead of just showing these extinct species in their natural habitats, the series revolves those scenes around the evolution that gave those species the anatomy and skills that allowed them to survive. The first episode is a bit of a review. Then it will go back to the planet's earlier days and show the progression of how life evolved, showing how cells evolved to sea creatures and then how those sea creatures evolved to live on land, all the day through the current day. It will also examine the 5 mass extinctions that happened over the span of Earth's history and then how close the planet is to the 6th. Those episodes may or may not hold any new insights, but the journey to that point will have certainly been fascinating to watch, given the visual effects throughout the series' 8 episodes. This goes to the people at ILM who applied the known science about prehistoric species to make realistic looking CGI of these species in their natural habitats. Stream it on Netflix. It's a must watch. Life on Our Planet is a fascinating look at how life evolved on Earth, with stunning visual effects that show how long extinct species might have lived.
Thank you for watching the video.